Out here in McAllen just prior to Beerstone. I just met the coolest guy in here that owns Kithcen Kitchen. So I want to bring you guys in, introduce you to them, show them a little bit what they have to offer for y'all. What's going on, man?
What's up, guys?
This is Alex.
Welcome. How's it going, dude?
Well, Alex, you want to just tell a little bit about what you guys have in here?
Yeah, sure. Well, welcome. We got anything from breakfast, salads, soups, juices, low carb, active meals. We got plant-based seafood, poultry, red meat. So I'm sure you do a lot of poultry, right?
A little bit, yeah.
It's our #1 seller. So this section is pretty stacked. We got over 40 plus different meal options. We got protein shakes. We use nothing but natural fruit. Every meal has the macronutrients on it. We got the ingredients on there. And if you look at the back, we got nutrition facts. Everything is on MyFitnessPal, so you can track your macros.
Oh, cool.
We know what it's like to be in the fitness industry, and we want to make it easy for people to help
That's
lose
awesome.
weight.
And you guys are on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow us on Instagram, Kithcen Kitchen.
Okay, awesome.
Thanks for stopping by.
Hey, no, appreciate you, man. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys.
Cut it.